The BBQAMIGO is your ultimate companion for those delightful barbecue days. This auxiliary table provides more space and keeps all your tools organized, ensuring the perfect BBQ experience. Here's why the BBQAMIGO is your best friend at the grill. Smart organizer, say goodbye to scattered BBQ gear. The BBQAMIGO keeps all your tools and gadgets in one place. No more running around the house to fetch what you need. From spices to cutting boards, it's all conveniently stored here. Plus, there's even a bottle opener. Ample working space, need room to prep, store, and place ingredients and dishes. The BBQAMIGO has you covered. With folding extensions, it offers a working area that expands from 2.4 SQFD, 6 SQM, to 6.9 SQFD, 1.7 SQM, when fully opened. Easy mobility, place your BBQAMIGO wherever you like, close to your grill or dining table. The off-road wheels make it a breeze to move on grass or hard floors. Impressive features, show off your dominance. The BBQAMIGO boasts a big drawer for large utensils, a spice rack with extra space for cutting boards, an upper rack for more spices, quick access compartments, a huge bottom drawer for pans and containers, a trash bag holder, a bottle opener, and even a power outlet. Effortless setup. Organize your grilling essentials in seconds. No more fuss, just swift and convenient setup for your Sunday BBQ. You're the alpha, and the BBQAMIGO is your loyal sidekick. Here are some of the pros and cons of the BBQAMIGO. Pros: improved organization, increased workspace, enhanced convenience, space-saving design. Cons: limited reviews, durability, price, size and weight, suitability for your needs. Overall, the BBQAMIGO offers a comprehensive grilling companion solution for those who value organization, convenience, and a dedicated workspace while barbecuing. However, the lack of extensive reviews and the need for more information on specific functionalities and durability necessitate careful evaluation before purchasing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.